Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. For installation on a side pin arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed. However, you may need to turn the connector. There are two holes on the side of the connector, one for a small 3/16 pin arm and one for a large 1/4 pin arm. If the pin on your wiper arm fits the size hole that is open, proceed with installation. If the size hole you need is not clear on both sides, follow these steps to turn the connector the opposite direction. Rotate the connector upside down and push down until it releases. Slide the connector out from the blade. Position the connector the opposite direction. Do not flip upside down. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade by pressing down until you hear a click sound. Once your connector is in position with the correct hole open, follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Rotate the connector into a vertical position until the round end is facing down. Insert the pin into the larger hole on the blade connector. Press down on the connector, locking the pin in place. You will hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.